Are you one of my people? Cannot beat a bit of whiteboard action when you're trying to describe something, draw a diagram, make some notes, or even do some planning for your business. But the days of having a massive whiteboard on the wall, most of us are working from home and we just don't have that space to dedicate to having a whiteboard all the time. So I've got a couple of alternatives that I want to share with you today. The first one, hold on a minute, here we go. Yeah, I think we all know this one. This is obviously a flip chart, the back of a flip chart that has a whiteboard. But honestly, it's heavy, it's bulky, the amount of time it takes to put it up. If you're coaching online, if you're training online, and you very quickly want to make a point or draw a diagram, putting that up, the moment has gone. So I've got another couple of alternatives for you. Hold on a minute. Where's my first one? Here we go. So, this is the first. This little baby is a sheet of stick-on vinyl whiteboard. Yeah, I know. It's got grid lines on the back to make sure that you can cut it straight, which is always handy. You've got the backing, you peel off the backing, you stick it on the board. Stick it on the board, stick it on the wall, I mean. It behaves exactly like a whiteboard, so you can use the marker pens and the erasers, etc., etc. It's brilliant if you have got a piece of wall that you can dedicate to having a whiteboard. It's great. I have used it. I've stopped using it for a couple of reasons. First one is it's very reflective. So where I do a lot of filming, I don't want a reflective background, so that's why I've stopped using it. Secondly, when you peel it off, it kind of like crumples a little bit, and it does have the tendency of taking a little bit of paintwork with it. So, and it's not quite easy to put back up again. So that's one. If you have got a space that you can dedicate to having a whiteboard, that might be an alternative. It's much cheaper than one of the big board things, but I've got something else. If you need to be able to put a whiteboard up and take it back down again, keep watching. I've got something exciting. Hold on. All right, my current favorite is this. This is called static whiteboard. Why? Because it uses static electricity to cling to the wall. But the best bit, if I'm in the middle of planning, but I need the wall, I can take this off, I can then put it back on the wall and carry on. One major downside for me is that this is not environmentally friendly. It's not biodegradable. And so I am asking any innovator out there, could you please come up with a way of making a whiteboard that uses static electricity so that you can put it up and take it down again, but that is biodegradable, so when the static is gone, you can recycle it. I would love to be able to use this and recycle. So please, any innovators out there, have a go. Get in touch, let me know what you come up with. Hope you found that useful, and if you do know of anybody who is training, coaching, or business planning, or even teaching, you know, the online teachers, who needs a whiteboard but not permanently set up, share this video with them. Until I speak to you again, stay well, take good care of yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.